Hello and welcome to a new episode on YouLearn channel. Today we are going to build a DC motor which is controlled by a switch button. Parts required for this project are one Arduino Uno board, connecting wires, one 1N4001 diode, one 5V DC motor, one NPN transistor, model is 2N3904, one 1 kilo ohm resistor, one 10 kilo ohm resistor, and a button. First, we are going to connect the 5V line from the Arduino Uno to the positive line of the breadboard. Then we are going to connect the ground pin of the Arduino Uno to the ground line of the breadboard. Next, we are going to connect the collector pin of the transistor to our 5V line on the breadboard. Then we are going to connect the base of the transistor to the 1 kilo ohm resistor, and from there to digital pin 2 of the Arduino Uno board. Next, we are going to connect the emitter of the transistor to the positive pin of the DC motor. Next, we are going to connect one terminal of the button to the 5V line of the breadboard. Then we are going to connect another terminal of the button to our 10 kilo ohm resistor, and from there to the negative line of the breadboard. Then we are going to connect the other terminal of the button to digital pin 4 of Arduino Uno board. Next, we are going to connect the ground line from the breadboard to the ground pin of the DC motor. And of course, we are going to connect this diode from the ground line to the positive line on the DC motor. I will put the code for this project in the comment section down below. Now, when we are going to start the DC motor, we can turn it on and off by using this switch button. Let's see how it works. Now, this DC motor is stopped, but once we press the button, it will start running at maximum speed. If we press the button again, it will stop. If you enjoy this project, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.